University Canada West for the Master in Business Application program.
Why an MBA?
I thought that was the right time to do that one. Because අවුරුදු 15ක් විතර මේකෙම become experience එකම අදක්. There are plans and there are dreams to be achieved. The influence we can give to the society and what we belong, the society we belong.
University Canada West, the official agent for Sri Lanka, expert education and visa services, your trusted education partner.
Hello everyone and welcome to another session of Tea Talk. So with us here today is Hiran, who got his visa guaranteed and here to share some of his experiences so far. So Hiran, welcome to the show.
Hi, nice. Thanks for inviting me.
It's our pleasure always. So how is your life going on these days? Are you excited?
Yes, exactly. We are in an exciting situation right now, and at the same time, it's a mixed feeling. Day by day, stress is coming, but most of the time, excitement is very great.
Yes, exactly. Alright, then after the Hamotama, why don't you tell a bit about yourself first?
Mama grandparent, මගේ පංගම පොල්ගාල මගේ මම හතරදෙනෙක්ගේ පවුලක බාලයා. ඒ කියන්නේ මට වඩා මට කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා අක්කලා දෙන්නයි අයියයි. ඉතින් පොඩි කාලේ ඉඳලා අපි එකට තමයි හිටියේ. ඒ වගේම ගොඩක් දේවල් ලැබුණා පවුලෙන් අම්මා තාත්තා අයියලා අක්කලා ගොඩක් එකට හැදුනාම ඒ තියෙන විනෝද සියලු දේවල් එක තමයි මේ දක්වා ආවේ. ඉතින් සතුටුයි ඒ සම්බන්ධයෙන්.
Yes, so then tell us a bit about your school life. How was it like?
I studied at Kagala Vidyalaya Kepur, and for A-level, I done my A-level in mathematics stream. With the selection of mathematics, I see some opportunities once I complete my A-levels and I joined to Zenith Maritime campus for my initial stage of BSc. I completed my BSc in International Transportation and Logistics sector. So I completed that from 2018. From 2017, I was completed on the logistic and transportation trade.
Alright, so then school කොහොමද හිටියේ? ගොඩක් ස්ටඩිස් වලට බාර එක්කෙනෙක්ද නැත්නම්?
ඒක ඇවිල්ලා ඇත්තම දුව මෙයා දෙකේම කම්බිනේෂන් ඇතිත් ස්පෝර්ට්ස් සයිඩ් එකක් එහෙම ලොකුවටම ගියේ නැහැ බට් මම කැමති මගේ යාළුවොත් එක්ක යන්න එකතු වෙලා අධ්‍යාපනය ගත්තත් ලොකු පරාසයකට යනකොට වඩා හැම වෙලේම දෙකම සම්බරව නිමිතුවත් එක්කත් ඉන්නවා අධ්‍යාපනයක් කරනවා ඉතින් කොහොමද A levels දක්වා and BSc එක දක්වාම සෙන්න පුළුවන් වුණා ඒ දේවලුත් එක්ක.
So you said you chose you did a BSc in transport and logistics, right?
Oh.
So why did you select that stream?
At the early stage of in the A levels, I decided then I was seeking some opportunity to join to some international relation. My first attempt was to join as an international relation, like international economic or something. But with the A-level results and with the influence came from my parents and my immediate sisters and brothers, I knew that I understand that BSc in transport and logistics will be complete the same required the global exposure is given with the BSc in transport and logistics. So instead of going the international relations side, I joined the international transportation and logistics. And in 2014 or 2000, in that era, that logistics and transport is very rare.
Yeah.
No one is doing transport and logistics these days. But now people are moving to this for this sector.
I think it's really nice to hear someone is doing something different because we always hear someone doing the math stream, it's always engineering or anything software engineering, especially in the IC side or the engineering side completely. So it's really nice to hear something like that. Alright, so then are you working these days?
Yes, I am a full-time employee. I work at a joint venture with DI joint venture, work under Port of Investment. It is a textile manufacturing company located at Thailand and Switzerland. I am working in Sri Lanka production facility as a logistic and shipping executive.
All right. So then api danna then you're planning to go to Canada.
Yeah.
Is it? So to which university are you planning to go? What program are you planning to enroll in?
I select the University of Canada West for the Master in Business Administration program. It is a 2 years program located at Vancouver downtown and all the trade hub in Canada, and they serve in the second largest seaport in North America. So that's the next education stage that I am willing to join.
So now you did a bachelor's in transport and logistics. Why an MBA?
In this particular case, what I have read and what I have learned through my 4 years experience, to get the next gap in my career level. So now I am serving as an executive and join to a top management or corporate level management. I think this MBA program will be a great advantage to me. Once I am having this MBA program out of Sri Lanka, so it is an international context MBA, definitely will be a competitive advantage to me in past few years, because all the Sri Lanka and all people are waiting that the next expected economic growth will be there in next 4 or 5 years. So I think that having MBA in international context, especially in Canada, will be a great privilege once I return back to Sri Lanka.
It's so nice to listen to all your insights on how you have properly planned out your future. It's so nice to listen to all of those. So anyways, then so why then Sri Lanka? You have lots of MBA programs in Sri Lanka. So why did you plan to go abroad?
ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන්ම මට කියන්න තියෙන දේ තමයි ඇත්තටම MBA එකක් විදිහට මම සාමාන්‍ය හිතමින් ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ් මගේ විශ්වවිද්‍යාල ශිෂ්‍යයන් විශ්වවිද්‍යාල මිත්‍රයන් ඔපි සියලු දෙනා ඔය සම්බන්ධ කාරණා කතාවේදී අපි කතා කරපු දේ තමයි අපි දැන් අවුරුදු 15ක් විතර මේකෙම BCom experience එක තමයි අදත් උසස් කරලා සහ ඒ වගේම BSc එකේ ඉතින් මගේ බලාපොරොත්තුවක් තිබ්බ කොහොමද විතරක් අධ්‍යාපනයක් ලබලා රෙමිනියු ගන්නවද ඉතින් ඒ වගේම අපිට විතරක් අධ්‍යාපනයකින් ලබලා ඊට පස්සේ අපිට මේ ආය අපි ලංකාවට ඇවිල්ලා අපිට මම හිතනවා දෙයක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් මේකට සමාජයට the influence we can give to the society and what we belong, the society we belong is something remarkable when we get good influence from a particular country like Canada.
Yes. So have you done any research about Canada, or like what kind of life will you be expecting when you go there?
Yes, I think that it's not the same we expected in the other social medias, Instagram and other things. But I know that there will be challenges, but I think accepting those challenges will be a great experience once I go there.
Alright, so you said your family is your biggest support system.
Yes.
So how are you feeling about having to leave them just to go abroad for your studies, and how are they feeling about you traveling abroad?
At the early stage, once I completed my A-levels, I asked that I want to go for foreign studies. So initially, what they know that one day our youngest Iran will be go there in any place. But right time came with this days, because I completed my A-level BSc in 2018 and I completed my job experience in 4 years. So for this year I completed my 4th year. So that I thought that was the right time to do that one. With the confidence, I know the knowledge, I have the experience in the trade. So and if I go without experience in the corporate sector or the manufacturing or the logistics sector, I will go join directly to a MBA just as a fresh graduate.
Yes.
While since I have experience in corporate sector right now, I think that the benefit I can gain from the MBA will be great. At the same time, when it came to the problem with parents, they have the feelings that I am going, but they know that he will
It's
come
your
with,
best.
yes, he will return with a broader mind and broader opportunities. And it is a great influence for the family itself. My
Yes.
brothers, sisters, their family is also filled with the situation. In meantime, they are saying that you are suffering. It's normal on any kind of situation, but I think that excitement is bigger than that part.
Yes. So thinking about your future goal, okay, now you're gonna think like, okay, I'm doing my MBA and I'm gonna be this person. So how are you truly feeling about that vision you are having in your life?
Actually, in my ultimate goal in this particular company, my MBA is getting the access to the corporate level, because the program criteria, subjects, and all the other academic criteria, and even the internship is also giving a great exposure to the international trade. So ultimately, this will be achieve my joining to the corporate level management in Sri Lanka, and same time the influence, the cultural influence, and the acceptance of the difference and the wide vivid colors in Canada will give a positive influence to me, and this will influence to once I return back to Sri Lanka, and this will influence to my society where I belong.
Yes, exactly. So then after Avasan Kali, is there anything you would like to say, our viewers?
As a last piece of advice, what I have to give to all the viewers is dream big and plan for the achieving that big dream, and every time keep mind in that you have to plan and work hard to achieve that dream. And my expectation with this scenario is to I have accomplished what my dream, and it was came true, and for the next few years there are plans and there are dreams to be achieved. I definitely do the same repetitive work done to achieve these dreams.
Exactly. So how are you truly feeling right now?
True feelings came like I'm feel really blessed and privileged at this situation. The situation and this success story came with the success partner along with this entire journey, from application, drafting, and to the receiving, and to the last stage of the process. So I'm truly blessed and truly privileged to working with the success partner along with my family and friends.
So wrapping up our session, I hope each and every one of you all were inspired by his story. So thank you all for joining with us. See you in the next Expert Talk.
University Canada West, the official agent for Sri Lanka. Expert Education and Visa Services, your trusted education partner.